Once upon a time, in a city far away, there was a young woman named Elena. Elena always wanted to be successful. She liked working hard and she had lots of energy. When she was 25, she thought, now is the time to make my dreams come true. So she started her own small company. She believed it would work. She believed it with all her heart. For a few months, things went well. She got some customers and made a little money, but then things changed. The investors stopped giving her money. They said they didn't see a good future for her company. One by one, her team left her company. At first, they were sorry to go, but then they found new jobs and Elena was left alone. She worked long days, but she had almost no savings. Elena felt sad. She thought, I failed. Maybe I'm not a good businesswoman. She lost her confidence. Every day she asked herself, what's the point? One night, Elena wanted to give up. She wanted to close her company and start a new life. As she sat alone in her office, she saw a picture on the wall. It was a picture of her team. They were smiling and felt proud about their work. Elena thought, wait, maybe I can start again. Maybe I can improve things. I don't want to give up. Then she remembered what her father told her when she was young. He said, failure is not the end. It is the beginning of success. So Elena took a deep breath. She started again. She visited every customer and asked them for advice. She wanted to know how she could improve her company. She talked to smart people in her city and joined groups of business owners. She listened to their ideas and tried to learn from them. It took many months, but slowly things got better. She found a small customer who believed in her and her company. This gave Elena a chance to show what she could do. She worked hard and did everything right. And after a year, this small customer became a bigger one. One day, a big company from another city called Elena, they wanted to buy her company. They said they liked her products and wanted to buy them for all their stores. Elena couldn't believe it. She thought, my company is going to be big. I succeeded. Then she remembered all the people who believed in her. She thought of her father, her old team, and her new friends. They all helped her to get to where she was now. Elena smiled. She knew she could never have done it without them. After the sale, Elena's life changed. She had more money and could afford a nice house and a beautiful car, but she never forgot where she started. She often speaks at schools and companies. She tells students and employees, don't be afraid to fail. Failure can teach you to succeed. And that is the story of Elena, the businesswoman who was not afraid of failure. Now, let's learn some new words. We have 5 words today. The first word is company. A company is a business. For example, I work for a big company. The second word is investor. An investor is a person who gives money to a business. For example, my friend invested his money in a new company. The third word is savings. Savings is money that you keep for the future. For example, I save some of my money each week. The fourth word is advice. Advice is help or ideas from other people. For example, I asked my teacher for advice. The fifth word is improve. To improve means to become better. For example, I want to improve my English. Now listen again. You can use this sentence. Elena always wanted to be successful. She liked working hard and she had lots of energy. When she was 25, she thought, now is the time to make my dreams come true. So she started her own small company. She believed it would work. She believed it with all her heart.